What do you say to Grandma? Ali, say thank you. Take a bite so Grandma can see that you're enjoying. Khalid?
Thanks. Thank you, Grandma. These are good.
Thanks, Grandma. Love these cookies. Hey, stop by sometime. That's an order. Huh, not really. But, yeah, I come by sometime. Want to see you around.
By the way, the good means delicious and good. Accidentally said both.
Anything else?
No.
Do you guys love Grandma?
I love you. Stay awesome.
Say I love you, Grandma.
Love you, Gram. Hey, I'm going to win a match for you tomorrow.
Yum. See? Baby boy likes your cookies, Grammy.